A rusty ass chassis. Everything's all rusty. Is it a California car or a working car?
East Coast, man. Legend.
Where's the 22 over range? Alright, 22 and 19. Let's come all the way out. Get the hammer, George. Or never mind, I'll get it. I'll get the hammer. I have something with 19 and an extension. What do I got? Bust this guy free. This actually may be moving. Probably not, but some of it is. I think we need the real hammer. None of these store-bought jobs. There's a real metal at. Okay. Alright, young blood. No joke. I'm pulling out the real hammer. Custom made. Moving it all. Still not. A little bit. Walk this bolt out ghetto style.
Okay. Oh yeah. Hell yeah.
Hey, what's up, dude? Hey,
What's up,
for
bro?
sure. Hey, we're doing some YouTube shit right now. You want to shout out your business?
Yeah, man. Holla at me, Katana_CEOO on Instagram, or just ask somebody about Katana. It comes back to me. Yeah.
What do you do, man? Wraps?
I do wraps, decals, everything car related, man. As you can see, he's going cross-eyed over there.
Right on,
yep.
man.
Shout out
Get
to
it.
the homie.
Hey, man.
Yeah, man.
Hell yeah.
What do you YouTube about? Like car shit?
Always car shit and life, business, a little bit of everything, but this here is suspension shop secrets.
Oh, so this is for you, and not for him.
No, it's for everybody.
Okay.
It's all about building the whole team, man. That's what, everybody wins.
Teamwork makes the dream work, man.
That's right,
See,
man.
life is like a boat, right?
That's right.
Life is like a boat. You gotta have someone paddling and steering. You got motherfuckers looking at your boat, trying to get on your boat, not trying to paddle and steer. I gotta keep YouTube appropriate, but don't come anywhere near the boat. See what I'm saying?
And you know what boat stands for, right?
What?
Bust out another 1,000.
Yo, hey, you can't do that if you got people leeching off.
That's
Okay?
right. Yeah, how everybody's got to win,
That's
right?
just words for the day, man. It's rough out here, man. You need a team.
That's right. You get your team big and everything comes easy.
What you up to do?
I just came out to in the car because I got to.
like something moved there. Still seized. Still seized. Still seized. Okay. Alright, we're gonna cut this bit.
Good plan. Cut it out.
At least heat it one more time, cool in it, and then we're gonna start cutting it.
What's up, young bloods?
He's filming. He's filming. Yeah, stand back a little bit or put some safeties on though for sure. This bottle's starting to get weak though.
Now we got your new bottle. Pancho Rancho.
There's only the propane left, man, I think, in this.
Nice over there.
There's map gas, but see when it's yellow? You want the blue flame, but maybe because we use it so much today or something, I don't know.
Whenever it came out with bright, it was the same bottle.
It's full still, but maybe we shake it or something, I don't know. There it goes. There's this shook up around too much. Sometimes you don't have a choice. You want to heat up one part bigger than the other, but sometimes you just gotta heat everything. Send it. That's the trick with map gas. You gotta shake this one. Maybe that's the wind, you think?
Yeah, no, go. Homeboy Katana.
Hook them up, man. Hit the whole team. Everybody comes through, says what's up, is on the team right now. So if you want to be on the team, you got time to get down here sooner than later. Because once the team's too big, man, no new members, right?
That's crazy how it gets them.
Yeah. Isn't that right? Team members now, not later.
Done?
Let's gonna try clinching it, and then let's gonna try maybe freaking double gunning it.
You haven't cut any sides yet?
I'm trying to see, it might break free. Not likely, but this will soften it up anyway, though. You know what I mean? Alright, fuck it, let's cut it. Or should I? You got an impact razor in here?
No, you can't do it. Just hit it. Just cut it. It's a faster cut it than
Last trick, and then we'll go your way, okay?
That's how it's not, it ain't going nowhere. Just got it, dude.
Alright.
Don't waste your time. See the other one cut. Yeah. The two more expensive tools, kind of shit.
You gonna lift that up over the fan there? Alright, watch your fucking eyes. Hey, get the pry bar.
What?
I'm gonna pry this out a little bit. Maybe not.
Just do what you did before.
Do the 22.
keep it the brake on. I did the
It's
brake.
good. Don't worry about it. You got the 22? Who said 22?
Alright then.
Look out. Somebody spring back. Alright. You too. No, look out, look out, look out.
Yeah.
It's going now.
Don't fuck that. And see what the fuck are you doing? I want you to fuck anything.
I'm trying to fuck nothing. I think it's good right there. You're gonna spin it again.
You can bend it. Oh fuck. I don't want you to do that. You fuck the cam. Fuck. Ask me first.
What's that?
You fucked it up.
It was already fucked, Tony.
No, this one's flat.
What was flat? No, it was not.
It was. I saw that.
What was flat? What was flat? What was flat?
Yes.
That was already
It wasn't bent like that.
Bent like what? Oh, fucking rusty, dude.
You gotta ask me before you.
Look. Are you the technician or am I the technician?
You gotta watch out what you're bending first. So if this can't get bent, all these lips,
We already
we're not gonna be able to. We're not gonna be able to align it.
Yeah, we will. You don't line anything.
Yeah, but I don't wanna.
You don't want to work hard?
Yep, it gotta be original. Has to look original. That's
Yeah,
it.
original like a pile of rusty shit. Original?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how you want it. Rusty shit box. Alright, hold on. We'll see if I cut it.
Oh, hit it. Maybe it's coming off.
It's coming out now?
The trim.
No, it didn't. Did it?
Let's see.
I was fucking playing with all. What the fuck? What happened there? What did I hit?
Alright, hit it. Hold
Hold
on.
on.
The hammer.
Hold on.
Give me a hammer.
Right here.
Disconnect my shit.
Right here.
Don't little plug.
Come here, brother. Moving?
Oh, come on.
It came out after all that fuckery with it. No shit.
Oh shit. What on? The fuck?
I put it on the cart.
Yeah, you gotta fuck the blade.
Fucking shit happens, homie. Those I got 50 of them. Moving now, huh? Hot as a motherfucker, though. Hold on, let me quench it. Look out. Spraying. Take that surface heat off that. You weren't paying attention, dude. Don't do that on me, Ricky Bobby.
You caught it so many ways?
I was putting it. The heat probably went into it, cut it loose.
Yeah, I'm
You
do
saving
shit.
that?
Maybe like a 16 or something.
You told me to cut it. You said, oh, this one's not gonna cut.
Alright, turn the wheel. Out.
Oh, it's greasy. You don't want to put it in there. it's straight still. You tripping? We got all this rust and shit in there anyway. Let me see that freaking screwdriver. See, you really want this? Look out, young blood. All right, weld swag / rust.
Yeah.
You want to get the Rust-Oleum out or what? Who's this? Is a good customer or is this a cheapie? So no freaking Rust-Oleum for them, huh?
Dealer.
Look at this, dude. I can poke almost through the whole freaking frame.
Okay. Pull it.
Pull it out a little bit.
Got it. That's what she said. Pull it out. Where's the nut for there?
It's in the cart.
Well, why is it there?
Because I'll freaking dick around with this. The rusty ass nut, you already got it or what?
No,
You gonna see the shit out of this or what?
see, that's what happened when you didn't pay attention?
Yeah, okay, at least it's not a $600 clutch disc. It's only a $5 freaking blade.
No, it's a $365 tool. It's
Yeah.
already got scratched.
Guess what, partner? You want me to show you a bunch of tools that get scratched and
No.
cut? That's part of the game, dog. Are you tripping?
No,
Just saying. You get your tools, you know, for a beauty contest or for working on cars that are rusty and dirty and scratchy and concrete floors. Let's go see what he's got. Let's see what he's got. Let's go take the shop tour of George's box. Let's see. Let's see, man. Look at all these air tools, huh? You gonna repo mine, my old school ones, or what? You know how to repo that one and that one? And that one?
No.
Oh, that's it?
That's
The rest of your shit?
Mm-hmm.
And that one's broken? Well, wait, how'd you break that one anyway?
Hold on. Close it. Open it. Is it level? How do I break it? This one?
Mm-hmm.
The shaft inside is broken.
How'd you do that?
It's just with time. And
Did
you gotta
you
open
fill with
it. Yeah.
diesel or what?
No, I think it's easy to
You
buy
got
new.
rags or what?
No.
Put all this shit you got up here too. You got the stubby job.
I got another one. I got more tools.
You really need all this shit?
Do you
The
do?
answer is yes, you do.
You do, because the right tool, the right tool.
Well, like, fucking tools. That's like,
You need a
oh,
tool.
come over this side.
You need
We
a
got
tool.
more of this shit. We don't even use air tools anymore, except for cutters and what, air hammers.
Little,
Impacts. Oh,
Once in
electric
a-
now.
once in a while. Once in a big while. Not much though. It's getting to be old, you know?
Hey, where you see anti-seize anywhere? And we're gonna hit this with Rust-Oleum anyway, even though it goes against my better judgment. You see it? Young blood?
You don't have a tool.
No.
Look, we got a can right there.
Dynasties?
No, we're doing all of it.
Grab a can. Where's the damn anti-seize go?
Oh, right there. That's the right one. See it? You find the knot over here or what? Where is
Right
it?
here. Go.
Put it on top.
This is a castle nut supposed to go here?
No, that and the clip.
Gun that up, or are we just gonna tighten it by hand?
By hand for now.
I hate working on rusty shit.
Likely we're not in New York.
That's a very good point.
Where's the 22?
The wrench or a gun?
Right.
What we put?
Oh, you love them. There we go.
Full arm. I don't like this kind of rust. I don't mind like restoration rust, but this is just, yeah. 17's right there. In your hand.
Last thing is the clip. There you go.
Go wash my eyes.
Look at this.